All right, Mr. Bowman here. Last video, we placed the house into the site and placed it in on the lot where we would like it to be placed. And then we discovered that it was actually below the surface. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to get it to the approximate correct elevation. We do that with a sectional view. So I'm just going to come up to the shortcut for the section tool. And I'm going to draw a section right through the center of the house. And I'm going to go to the section. I'm going to go to it by right-clicking on the section line and just hitting Go to View. I could have also come over under Sections and clicked it here. Okay. Now I'm going to expand the view so I can actually see where the house is. I know it's below the surface here somewhere. There it is. Now it's kind of hard to see the house there with all these level annotations in the way. So I'm just going to right-click over the house there, and I'm going to go Override Graphics in View by Category. And then this little box comes up. I can open the Visibility Graphics dialog, expand or click on Annotation Categories because we want to hide the levels, the annotations for the levels. So we scroll down to Levels, uncheck that, hit Apply, and then OK. Now we can see the house a little bit better. Now we want to move the house up all the way to the surface. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. I'm going to use the Move tool. And I can click out to the side here. I don't have to even click right on the house. Click off to the side. Make sure I'm moving it perfectly straight up. Get it close to the surface where I want it there. Then I can take this box and just shrink the crop box down so I'm not dealing with such a big box there. Then I can zoom in and I can see here's my topo surface. Here's my house. Now that I'm zoomed in, I can adjust it a little bit more. I'm just using the arrow key on the keyboard to move it down a little bit and get it close to where it should be. We're going to edit the surface a little bit later, so this is just a rough placement elevation-wise of the house. Okay. Now if I go back to the 3D view, I can zoom in there and I can see that now the house is actually above the surface. Like you see, the topo isn't exactly the way we want it here. In the next video, we'll look at adjusting the ground level of the topo surface so that it's level around the house.